Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave me your thumbs up, leave your comments. I do read every one of you, and just know I love you all. Okay, y'all, they did it to us again. We always say that the House and the Senate cannot get together on anything. I'm beginning to think we're wrong on that. I believe they are together on what they're doing. They are working against us. They are working not to get a stimulus package passed. It's all a game that they're playing with us, and it's against us. I really believe that. Y'all, over the weekend, a couple of things happened, and I'm going to try to bring the facts to you again. The Internal Revenue Service will be sending out checks to the people. These are interest checks from your income tax returns. If you filed your taxes by July the 15th, about 14 million Americans will be getting an interest payment. Now that interest payment is only $18 per taxpayer. Around $18, give or take a couple of dollars. These payments will be coming to your bank account if you got direct deposit. If you don't, it will be coming as a paper check. Y'all don't misunderstand this. This is not a stimulus check. This is an interest payment that they owe you from your taxes. That's all. It's not a stimulus check at all. And guess what? It's taxable. So you're going to have to pay income tax on that $18. The House this weekend did pass a bill for the post office, a proposal for the post office. Now they sent it to the Senate. Now the Senate is not going to do anything. They said it is dead on arrival. Mitch McConnell said himself that the post office will be all right. They've got enough money. Shows how much he don't care about the post office also. We already knew he don't care about us. Okay, but now what about the American people? When are we going to ever get anything? Or will we get anything? Y'all, I'm beginning to think we're not going to get anything. But maybe someday they'll wake up and realize, no, they won't. You have to have a conscience to do that. The only time they're going to realize they've done wrong is when they're out of office. Y'all, in November, we got to vote all of this scum out of office. Somebody said that they don't want Donald Trump in office again, but then they don't want Joe Biden in office. I feel the same way. So what do? We know what Trump is capable of doing. We think we know what Biden is capable of doing. But what do? We have to weigh the options and pick the best one at being bad. Because they're both bad. We just have to pick the one that's the least bad. And we've got to examine ourselves before we can do that. Y'all, this weekend I got a lot of hate on kind of the IRS tax refund interest payment. People were saying I was lying. People saying I was clickbaiting. They can say what they want to. If they don't like my content, they don't have to come back. It's not clickbait. I'm not lying. It is happening. I believe some people's already getting that interest payment. I'm not sure about that. Y'all, I'm not sure if I'll be back today or not. Today is Monday. Something might happen today. We'll just have to wait and see. We do know Senate is still on recess playing their little games. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens today. And I will try to make another video if something happens worth a video. Y'all, I'm going to tell you again, because not too many people clicked on my video yesterday evening. My next video about making money online next Saturday at 2 p.m. is going to be a really good one. You don't want to miss it. Got a lot of stuff to cover in that one, so get you a cup of coffee, a sandwich, some cookies or something. It may take a while, but it's going to be a very good video. You don't want to miss it. Y'all, I love you all. We will get through this we just got to keep our faith in God. He will see us through this. He wouldn't have brought us to this storm unless He's going to help us through it. My God don't do that. My God don't bring you to a storm and just drop you off. He sees us through. He's seen me through many storms. I love you all. Until the next time, ciao.